Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coderopedia. So today we're gonna discuss how programming has changed the world. Programming has become an essential way of solving problems and creating value in the world of today, and we would be looking at various ways in which programming has changed the world. So at number one, we have building apps that solve problems. There are so many problems that we are faced today. Programming make it possible to create a way forward and solving these problems through the creation of applications and algorithms. Without the help of programming, we wouldn't have curbed various problems like instant communication, include texting, spreading of information through social media, availability of healthcare apps, e-commerce banking, and various others. So at number two, we have building solutions to global problems. For example, in the past, most people find it difficult to get transportation at a specific level, which makes it difficult for most to get where they are going to. Programmers have made relevant apps that can help to solve their problems like Uber, Taxify, and other transportation services. Also, with the creation of Google, which helps in organizing the world's information, in the past, we used to have tedious way of looking up things and getting relevant information which consumes time and effort, but now we could just Google it and get all the information we want. And number three, we have writing programs that work with hardware. Imagine having the ability to control objects around you. Sounds cool, right? After learning how to code, you can do just that. We are familiar with robots. It's not only the wiring and building that makes them function, but they also have to be given functions in form of codes because that's what they understood. That's not possible without the knowledge of programming. So that's it for today. I will see you next time. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.